Little Panda's town is waiting for your protection. Let's start today's patrol. Oh no, a bad guy just hid in the supermarket. Can you help me find the criminal? Do you know what the bad guy looks like? He was wearing a green vest, brown pants, and a blue scarf around his neck. Okay, first, let's piece the bad guy's portrait together. Awesome! Thank you! You're welcome! Tap to equip the magical item! Whoa, what happened? I got separated from my dad in the park. Whoa, don't worry. Let's find your dad together. You found Wowo's dad! You're awesome!
Stop at a red light. Go at a green light. I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Baby bus, go!
Can you help me catch the thief? No problem. Leave it to me. Go, go, go! Ah, you found my purse. Thank you so much. You're welcome. It's my duty. Officer Kiki, mission accomplished.
I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Baby bus, go!
Calm down, Miss Bear. What's the issue here?
The parking lot is so disorganized. I can't drive my car out.
Don't worry, I'll fix it. Woohoo! All the cars were driven out. Little Panda's town is successfully protected.